just arrived at our lunch stop at Downpatrick Head. I've been looking forward to this since I started doing my Google research. I guess really we are more or less at the most northern tip of an island, I think, here now. It is as beautiful as I thought it was going to be. I'm going to just turn this camera around now and show you what's going on behind me and try not to fall off a cliff. Because it is a long way down here, and the ground is very bibbly bobbly wobbly, and I'm a bit worried I might die, and I kind of like people. I'm going to be brave here. I'm going to jump off the edge of the cliff. I'm going to be very brave, but it is very fucking slippery, so I'm going to be very careful, mind my friends. Look at that. I mean, absolutely out of this world, just stunning. And I don't really have a fear of heights, but this cliff is screaming I'm going to fall in a minute. Look at Deg it. Go on, Deg it. Have a look, man. I mean, it is just breathtakingly beautiful. You should have seen how I dismounted that in style right there. I'm not going to throw you, don't worry, don't look so scared, dang it. This, as soon as I saw this on the route map and I started looking at this area, holy crap on a cracker. I love watching Deggett here. Can you imagine Tooney here, man? No, he'd be in a car park and be too scared to get this far. But can you see the colour of that water on the live? I'm not sure you can. It is the most crystal clear, beautiful blue, I think, oh, butterfly, nicely timed, that I've seen. This is without doubt one of the most stunning places we've been yet on ROC. There's a World War II lookout tower here. And we're right on the edge of Downpatrick Peninsula. And literally 360 degrees is just sheer beauty.
Thank you, Victor. It's so nice to be appreciated.
You're welcome, mate.
Beauty. I appreciate the comment. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're an artistic gentleman.
I am an artistic
Sum
gentleman.
up where we are with two poetic words.
Island. That's all there is I can say, man.
Well, that was technically one, but we'll let you have it.
Well, it's Ire and land. There you go.
Ireland.
Ireland. Yeah. No, it's just, you can't sum it up in 2 words, man. This is the same.
Well, I can. I can sum up in 2 words.
Go on.
Come again.
Well, yeah. No, there is that. But you know, Ireland is just one of those places I think where every time you go over like a mountain pass, you sort of look at it and you go, well, that was pleasant, and then you go through the pass and there's more beautiful things to look at. I mean, this is insane. I think when they were handing out beauty, this place just got a massive. It's like someone dropped the pot, spilled the pot or something.
Spilled the pot of beauty.
Spilled the pot of beauty over this part of the world.
While we've got you, do you want to say hello to your little ones?
Can say hello to my little ones. Hello, Elliot. Hello, Nissa. Missing you. I would say wish you were here, but frankly, what I did yesterday, hanging off the back of a motorbike, I thought of you doing that would terrify me. But yes, hello, Elliot. Hello, Nissa. Love you and miss you lots. Mwah.
Hey, Elliot and Nissa. Your dad is awesome. He's having a great time out here. And I know he is missing you lots, but he's going to regale you with all these stories of his bravery about hanging off the back of motorbikes until you're well into your late 20s, I reckon. So you've got that to look forward to. I'm going to say hello to my awesome in-laws, Mark and Jan, because it's a day for saying thank you to people today. I've decided. We had Wayne this morning, we had Nathan this morning say hello to his kids. I haven't got kids yet, but I have got two of the best in-laws in the world in Jan and Mark. Mark drove us up to Liverpool. He's going to pick us up in Liverpool to take us back as well. Jan, my mother-in-law, is always supportive, always looking out for us. They are the parents that I was longing to have, and it just so happened that I'd married the woman of my dreams who came with the parents of my dreams. So big thank you to you guys for putting up with me and my weird little mannerisms. I'm sure you'd prefer getting to bring home a posh rich boy from those private schools. Instead you got me. So yeah, my eternal apologies about that. I'm going round with other side of the, I think it's called a sea stack. My mum is a, well, she's not a geologist, but she was certainly married into the world, so she's probably shouting at me now, ain't no sea stack, because, yeah, she sounds like that. Sorry, Mum. Here we go. Let's get away. Take it, Mike. Oh, that's an amazing view from here. Oh my God, Mike. Please don't, please don't, please don't. That's all I can say is please don't, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Oh my flipping Lord. I'm not religious, but I'm suddenly feeling it. Holy moly, moly, moly. There's some of our rockers probably watching this down the car park going, cheers, Victor, we ain't got to walk up there now. You're welcome, by the way. But yeah, seeing it on this doesn't do it justice to actually seeing it with your own eyes. I can stay up here for hours, we've only got an hour. And then we're off to Sligo for our night stop via a couple of other destinations. Oh, that looks inviting, but that so looks like it's going to crumble if I stand on that. This isn't how sad I am, but I remember being probably 11-ish and watching an episode of Home and Away. And all you Home and Away fans might remember what I'm talking about here. There was a character called Shane, and he thought he'd wind up his missus. And there's a little ledge, like this one, like that. And he stood on the edge and went, I can't take this anymore, as a joke, and jumped. And then the idea was he'd pop up and go, way, I'm all right. But instead, the bit he jumped on gave way, and he fell to his end of his acting career. So, yeah, I'm not going to do any fake jumps off the cliff. But I am going to keep walking around here. I feel this is getting better, as you can hear. Apologies, I'm not responding to comments. The sun is right on the screen, and I can't see nothing. But I think we've also, while I'm walking around to this bit, we've had it confirmed now that we are on about 5,900-ish raised. I want that 8 grand, people. We need 2 and a bit thousand. I can't do the maths now, I'm not. We can do that. We've got 6 months, but I'd like to get that by the end of the island trip. So again, can you tap up all your loved ones, all the ones you hate as well? Just tap them up. Share the link to our campaign page. Share our video, share whatever you can. Let's get that 8 grand. They're awesome charities. Mental Health Motorbike, UK Air Ambulances, Alzheimer's and Stroke. I'm going to look up because I'm walking towards the edge of a cliff. Thank you to our sponsors, L&D Auto Body out of Blair Gowrie, Bennett's Motorbikes and Scooters, and Reedy Ready Redeem Tours. Right, I'm now, as if by some kind of professional presenting, where I want to be. Here we go. I'm going to shut up. Look at this. I have one question for you before I sign off this video, and that is quite simply this. Why aren't you in Ireland? Get a break, get a weekend. You can fly from like London to Dublin. Well, you can't because you're in a queue for 5 days, but you can get a boat from Dublin to Fishguard to Rosslare. Come over here, don't worry about all this exotic Lanzarote stuff. Come and visit Ireland. I'm like an advert for them now because I've fallen in love. I'm Scottish at heart, but I have fallen in love with Ireland. Hang on, I'm going to see what's over this clip before I let you go. Because the way Ireland is, every time you kind of find something, there is something else that goes, ha-ha! I wish it did go, ha-ha, that'd be awesome. Imagine the talking mountain. Okay, I'm coming to the edge of, whoa, what the? Alright, I'm coming to the edge of this, whoa, I thought it was going to be. Oh, well, would you? What did I say? Every time you find something, and you look at it, you find someone else, it's just wowzers. Look at this, how close can I get without dying? Probably that close. Wow, this has been a trip that I will remember for a very, very, very long time. All right, I'm going to go now just so I can enjoy the peace and quiet a little bit up here. I will be live again in about 20 because I'm going to give the other rockers a chance to shout out to their loved ones, because we are a day over halfway, give or take. I know there's some people who'd like to say some stuff, so for now, rockers, stay safe, stay awesome, and above all else, be excellent to each other. Rocker out.